Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share some cards that I created for a little collab with my friend Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. This summer she's doing a Summer Bees series, which has been super fun, and for the month of August, the theme in my swap group / RAK group, Random Act of Kindness group, is going to be bees. So we thought we would just have a little collab between the two of us and share some bee projects. Words are hard as usual. Anyways, in the description box below, I will have a link to Teresa's video, and I will also have a link to all the products that I could still find for my cards. For my cards, I am really liking taking one stamp set, one paper pad, and one sketch, and then creating 3 cards. It started, well, I used to do something similar for a while. I had a series on my blog called 3 for Tuesday. But then lately I've been doing the Instagram hop, create it 3 ways. And that's what I've been doing, is one stamp set, one sketch, and one paper pad. So I thought that's what I would do. So I used this fun stamp set from Not Too Shabby, Honeybee Kisses. I'm not sure if it was in the box of the month or if it was, I don't know what it was. I could not find it on the website, so that's why I'm thinking it might have been a box of the month. I don't know. These cute fun gnomes and their bees, and I just thought that they were so cute. Then I also used this Sunflower Bees paper pad from Not Too Shabby. It was from the June 2022 box of the month, but I did find it was still on the website. And then I used this old Stampin' Up! Honeycomb embossing folder. Right now I will put the sketch that I used on the screen for you to see. It is Freshly Made Sketches, number 547, I believe it was. I really like it. It was such a fun sketch. So on to my cards. So here's the first one. There you can see those 3 strips. I did emboss that background with that honeycomb embossing folder. Cut out the gnome, and then on the honey jar there's some glossy accents, and then there are some white pen accents along with some stickles, and then just 3 gems. Those were from Gina Marie Designs. And then on the inside of that one it says Sweet as Honey. So I thought that one was cute. And then we have this one. She's all colored up like a bee. And I did put some glossy accents on the flower, some stickles on the wings. There's those gems again. And then on the inside of that one, it says buzzing by to say hi. And then my last one is this guy. I did cut this honey jar out from this stamp set. I just cut it out because I thought he needed a honey jar next to him with the honey dripper, I think they're called. And then I added that little bee. Again, that has the glossy accents on it, and the bee has the stickles. And then on the inside it says Sunflower Wishes and Honeybee Kisses. So there are my 3 cards for this little collab with Teresa. I can't wait to see what she's created. So I'm excited to hop on over there. So again, everything is linked in the description box below. Be sure to check out her video and say hi that Danny sent you. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow for Saturday Showcase, go do something for yourself, go get crafty, and I'll see you soon. Bye.